At MyMortgageGuyTony.com, coming to you with a real estate update. And this time I wanted to focus on inventory. You've probably heard the word thrown around, but what does it really mean? We measure inventory in the real estate market by the number of homes that are sold in a month. So just for easy numbers, let's say we have 100 homes that are sold in a month, and there's 100 homes for sale. So 100 homes are sold. There were 100 for sale. That means we have 1 month of inventory. Now, what does this look like in kind of the different types of markets that we can be in? Well, more than 6 months, so let's say 7 months, if you had 700 homes or more, then you're in a buyer's market. You know, there's a lot of homes for sale, not many buyers. What that looks like is you see a home, you write an offer, maybe even a little less. The seller, you ask them to cover your closing costs, and you're probably going to get the house. Now, a normal market is 3 to 6 months of inventory. What does that look like? You're going to probably pay full price, probably get the seller to pay for some or most of the closing costs. You're probably going to be able to go home, sleep on it, make a decision, submit your offer on Monday morning. Then less than 3 months of inventory, that's a seller's market. Now, you have way more buyers than homes for sale. And what that kind of looks like is, let's say you're driving by a neighborhood that you like and you see a home for sale. You're like, holy smokes, this is the one. You race over to a Starbucks, flip open your computer, call your realtor. The home's already pending. So that's kind of how we measure inventory as it pertains to real estate. So now that you kind of understand that a little bit, when people are saying there's 1 month of inventory, you know that there's the same number of homes that sold that were available for sale. Now let's jump into kind of what that then looks like here in the Portland Metro marketplace. We'll jump into the numbers here. I'll move this up here. So here's inventory in months through December of 21. So down in December, we're at 0.6 months. So less than 1 month of inventory. We're definitely in this seller's market. There's a lot of competition, bid over ask. So people are putting in offers that are more than asking in order to win the offer. Now, if we look through the past months, we haven't been in a normal market since January of 2019. So remember, that normal market basically is 3 to 6 months. Anything less than that, less than 3 months, you're in this seller's market. So we really haven't been in a normal market since January of 2019. So the last thing that I wanted to touch on is, what does that look like here in the metro area? So again, when we talk about inventory, so this is, let's see, we'll move this out of the way. So when we talk about Portland metro area through 2021, you take the number of closed sales along with the pending sales. So that's going to be the number of homes sold versus the number of homes available, new listings and active listings. And that's where we come up with this 0.6 months of inventory. So very, and it'll be interesting to see January, because we have seen things shift a little bit. Mortgage rates have started to trend upward, and that certainly has affected the market some. But the median sales price for that Portland metro area here, defined in these counties, is $511,000. And average sales price is about $582,900. So you've heard me say it in previous videos that we are an attractive area for people to move to. There's a couple of different things that really lead us to believe that we're going to continue to see growth. It may not be as incredible as the last year and last couple years. That might start to slow the pace of appreciation, but it's still going to be, strong single-digit appreciation as forecasted for 2022. If you want to see a real estate and rate forecast video, let me know in the body of this post. Happy to send it to you. It focuses on the Fed's intervention in a rising inflation environment and what does that do to various things, including mortgage rates, but the job market, the stock market, real estate, and it'll take a historical perspective, looks back at various Fed chairs as they intervened in the marketplace, what they did and how it impacted the market. And then I'll talk a little bit about what to expect in 2022 for real estate and mortgage rates. So thanks for tuning in. And again, if you want that video, let me know in the comments below and I'm happy to send that to you. All right. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.